Hello everyone, this is Carlos, and today we'll be playing Airplane Story.
Yep.
And today I need to talk to our cameraman for a tiny bit. So, you have to be holding that for the entire part one. No, I mean for the entire video. So, we're going to play straight away. Sorry if I cough. I am like a bit asthmatic. Okay, shall we just joining this random server. Yay! We are adults, and that color is a bit weird. Are you okay, madam?
Nope.
And are you really okay, madam? You got robot parts. Airplane by Watkins. Okay, my A9. Wait, A9 is at the front, right? Yeah. Wait. Did I just really just got the front? A1. Oh, I didn't got the front. Well, it was a good try. I got the window seat. I love the window seat. Hello everyone, this is Captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight. Okay, I don't know. We're currently flying at the altitude of 43,000 feet above the sea level.
What?
Yes, we are. The weather looks good, and while we are arriving at no time soon to our destination.
Okay.
Feel free to explore the airplane. Oh, wow, the airplane feels so thick.
Yeah, guys, this might be a bit different because it's on MacBook.
No, it's not different. And also, if you don't got any devices in like any game consoles, MacBook, or Windows, anything in 2023 or 2022,
You meant
then
22?
you are done for. Oh yeah, and also Android. If you don't got Android, you're also done for.
Oh, and also, the iPhone 14 is out.
Yeah, the iPhone 14. So if you don't got any of those companies thing, well, you are doomed. You can't play World. Now please try to see that we're about to cross a high turbulence, which it already happened. Thank you for your cooperation.
Can you hold this for a moment?
Yeah.
For a second.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Oh, there is the part. I know this part, but I'm not going to say it out. I hope I'm not allergic to mayday. Hello everyone, we are the crew. We are delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Do not eat the sandwiches yet because I feel like that the sandwiches will give us health. Wait. The engine is facing that way, and the wing is facing that way, and the cockpit is that way, and our chairs are facing that way. This makes no sense. Oh no! JK blocks he. I'm not feeling very well. Are you allergic to mayonnaise? Wait. Oh no! He's allergic to mayonnaise! Nobody get the medicine! Nobody open door! You are allergic to medicine! If we lose him, it's fine. Serious? I found it.
The guy who got sick found it.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I found it earlier. But the game wasn't working. Look, when I put it over this, it says wait. Nightmare. Why this plane is so empty? Yeah, at least I'm in front of Nightmare 2123. I can't even say his name. Now this is the first game in the series. So the game might not look good. And there's only 4 games of this series, which is sad. The 4th one is the end, but released not long time ago. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Oh no, the power has gone out. Oh no!
Oh crap.
It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I'm going on top of the chairs for no reason. Guys, look. What is that on the white wing?
Look at the right wing.
This is the white wing, right?
Yeah, look at it.
You are the voice.
Oh,
no! Oh, those are very deadly snakes. Oh, those are deadly snakes.
Later.
Come on. Oh no!
Later.
Okay, let's go into the open bathroom. Yes, I got into the open bathroom. See, I am very professional. If the snakes are bored. Anyway, if the snakes go through, I'm safe. While I need to go for a toilet potty. Hey, stop looking at me! Go to the toilet potty. Oh, only one of us made it.
Two of us, you meant. Three of us.
Yeah, 3 of us.
2 of us, actually.
Yeah, 3 of us. Only 1 died. That is sad. Now it's going to be like impossible. The game is pretty hard.
Yeah, later.
Okay. What this girl figures is that what the heck is happening. You should not say heck.
That's just a game.
We
Sorry.
need to call. Power's back up. We need to call emergency.
Oh no, the camera's fading. No, it's not anymore.
And the snakes, thank God. And the snakes are gone, thank God. I just said God's name in vain.
Don't use God's name in vain. That's actually really bad.
Sorry, God, if I said your name in vain. I was just trying to say to people what we were reading, so they don't have to say it. Is that a good reason?
No.
No. The good news is that the power is back up. Well, thanks, Captain. But the bad news is that we have losing significant amount of oxygen. Got oxygen mask from drop over your seat.
Wait, I don't remember
Take
that.
them quick. Oh no. Yes, I got an oxygen mask. Hello, I'm safe. Why did the oxygen mask just look like a COVID-19 mask? COVID-19? Oh. Did I just heard the new ooze sound? Okay, what if I start again? Well, the new ooze sound is that, and the old one was oof. Oh no, not the power. What happened?
Scissors, scissors.
I tried to find it.
Get the scissors.
I tried to click it. Wait, we need the timer to go on. Should I? Yeah, let's cut the blue one.
Yeah, blue one.
The blue one's safe.
Luckily, you didn't have the bomb. You are a murderer. Luckily, you got peace and quiet. That's the only thing. But it's also a bit scary if that was real life. You would be all alone on a friggin' plane.
Yeah. Luckily, this is not that hard. These people are noobs.
What's A now? Oh, that's
We have haven't had to we look for them. Everything is okay. Well, the only answer is yes.
Get the key card. It's all the way back there. Later. No, we're not hungry.
I'm clicking. I clicked the QR code. Okay.
No, we are not hungry.
After this, I'm going to eat. I'm actually hungry. I clicked the code, but it's not opening. Is the game bugged?
I think Carlos broke the game, guys.
I didn't even do anything. Everybody, I have broke the game. This thing can't go away. And I'm clicking on this and
Okay, bye.
we need to just eat.
Okay,
Bye.
guys.
Party's coming soon.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.